All right, Lola's gonna read Little Blue Truck's Christmas. Is it Christmas yet? I don't know. Where I'm at, it's really warm, so I'm gonna go probably not. But it's so fun to read about Christmas because it'll be here soon. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Look at it snowing. We don't get snow here in Arizona. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. It says totes trees. Let's count. There's numbers on here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wonder if Blue's going to take all of these trees with him. Let's see. 1. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? Well, let's see. There's 1 right here. Toad has 2 and 3. So I wonder if all 3 will fit. Or maybe it's all 5. Let's see. 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. Is he gonna fit all 5 trees in his truck? That's crazy. 5 green trees make up 1 load. Beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road. Let's count them again. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. How many birds are there? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds. And 1 toad. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Do you think they need one? I don't know. Let's see who gets one. Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Let's look at these guys. Let's count these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looks like 10 babies. How many trees are left? Let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trees left. Let's see who gets these trees. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green trees. How many cows are there? 1, 2. And they left 1 tree behind. How many trees are left? 1, 2, 3. Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green trees. How many pigs are there? Let's see, there's 1 pig here, 2, 3, 4, 5 pigs. And how many trees are left? 1, 2. Meh, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there's 1 green tree. Should we count all the goats? Let's see. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And 1 tree left. Oh, did you guys see stars? Can you see those stars? Let's count those too. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 stars. 1 tree left in a Little Blue Truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck. Is this tree for Blue? I think it's gonna be. Little Blue Truck needs a green tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. Aw, Merry Christmas, Blue. And Merry Christmas to you.